but heaven keeps its peace. The echoes fade, no voice replies, only shadows answer me. I've walked through fire and through bone, prayed in ruins all alone, held my breath in holy fear, but your silence rings so clear. Every church and every war, every wound I can't ignore. I called your name, my throat was raw, only darkness heard it all. Where are you, God? I'm screaming through the rain. I've broken every chain just to fall again. If you're there, God, show me through the pain. I'm not your saint, just a man in chains. I've seen prophets lose their flame, saints fall trembling, none the same. I've held faith until it bled, still the stars look cold and dead. I gave you all the love I had, the hope, the tears, the good, the bad. But when I whisper, nothing stirs, just the echo of my words. Is this test or just the void? Am I hurt or just destroyed? If you're there, then speak, I beg, before I crawl back to the grave. Where are you, God? My voice is fading thin. The silence feels like sin, and I can't pretend again. Where are you, God? If I can't find your face, I'll keep walking through the waste until I fade. Still I search, still I wait, still I bleed beneath your gate.